Hello, in this video we are going to take a look of how you can better protect your WordPress comments from spam and how you can make them look better and more appealing for your visitors. So there is this plugin, Fluent Comments, that was just released that will help you protect your comments from spam. It will enhance your comments with a nice looking interface, and this plugin it's working with most of the themes. It's not working with the full site editing themes. It's working with the page builders, as they are saying. I tried this with Breakdance Builder, but it didn't style the comments there, just for you to know. I will let a link into the description with the Breakdance Builder if you're interested to check it and see how it can help you build faster websites. And this plugin, it's relatively new. It was developed by the ones from UP Managed Ninja. They have a lot of nice plugins in their portfolio, like Fluent Forms, like Fluent CRM, Fluent SMTP, that can help you enhance your WordPress installation. And in this video, we are going to see exactly how you can use it and what it will do for you. So even if I have the comments protected with Cloudflare web application firewall, I still am receiving some spam comments on my WordPress websites, and this plugin can help you even reduce that spam backlog. So I have here an WordPress website installed on InstaWP, and this is the post, and here is the default comment system, and like this it is looking right now. So if you want to leave a reply, you can just leave it in here. If you're, for instance, not logged in, let's see how it's looking. So when you're not logging in, you're having these options in here with this big box to post the comment or to leave a reply to a comment if you want, like this. And right now we are going to go and we are going to install the plugins. To install the Fluent Comments, you just need to go to the plugins, add new, and we are going to search for the Fluent Comments. I'll hit search, and in here you see that you have the Fluent Comments 1 that it's popping up in here. I'm just going to install it. I'm going to activate it, and right now this plugin doesn't have any other settings that you need to turn on or other stylish elements. You just activate it, and right now the comments should be transformed. Let's see if something changed in here. First, it's with the login. So you see in here that right off the bat you're seeing that the comments changed. So you have these nice boxes, and you can reply it like this. Right now I am the logged in, so that's why it's looking like this. But if we're going to check on a page that is not having the login, you'll see that the same it's appearing in here. You have the comment box in here. You don't have that boxes to post a reply, but when you're typing the comment, this is a comment, you will have the options to add your name in here, and you have options to add your email address, and you just post the comment like this. And right now it will go under moderations, but you see how it's looking. If you want to reply to a comment, you have the options to do it like this. It will have a nice pop-up box that it will ask you for your name and your email address, and have the option to post the comments. So this plugin, it's easy to use. You don't need to do anything right now to configure it. You just install it, and it will take care of the comments area for you, and it will help in reducing the spam in the comments, because there are a lot of spam that it's going around in WordPress. Right now the plugin, it's in the first version. It has been just released from 1 week, but they are working on it, and they will make it compatible with the full site editing, and it will have more design options in the future. So this is the Fluent Comments. It's free to use, and you can give it a try and see how it's working for you, and if it's helping you reduce the spam and makes the comments look nicer on your WordPress website. Thanks for watching the video. In case you enjoy what you have seen, please don't forget to subscribe and like.